So welcome back to everyone. Today we are discussing about class 8th chapter sound exercise question answer. Short answer question number 1. How does sound travel in air? Answer. Sound travel in a medium with the help of a vibrations of the particle of the medium. These vibrations while traveling create a periodic disturbance in the medium. This disturbance travel in the form of waves. Question number 2. What are longitudinal waves? The wave in which the particle of a medium vibrate to and fro or back and forth above the direction of propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave. Example, sound waves are longitudinal waves. Question number 3. Derive the relationship between time period and frequency. Answer. Number of vibrations in t seconds equal to 1. Number of vibration in 1 second equal to 1 by t. Number of vibration in 1 second is called as frequency. So frequency equal to 1 by t. Capital T is denoted by time period. F is denoted by frequency. Question number 4. How does a loud sound different from a soft sound? Draw the diagrams. Shout. Shout means loud sound is produced. Whisper. That means soft sound is produced. Larger is the amplitude, louder is the sound. Amplitude is smaller. Smaller amplitude, soft sound. This is a small amplitude, so that's the reason soft sound. And this diagram denoted by large amplitude, that means loud sound. Question number 5. Draw the diagram to keep the wave disturbance of high-pitched sound and low-pitched sound but of the same loudness. So this is low-pitched sound, frequency equal to 1 kHz, and this diagram is high-pitched sound, frequency equal to 2 kHz. Pitch is high, that means sound is shrill, and pitch is low, that means sound is flat. Pitch of sound depends on number of vibrations per second, is called as frequency. Long answer, question number 1. Derive the formation of longitudinal wave when the source of sound vibrate in air. Answer. Sound propagate due to vibrations of the particle of a medium. When the prolong of a vibration tuning fork move towards right, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high density and high pressure, and this region is called compression. Air particle come closer as compared to normal air. Prolong of tuning fork moves towards left. The air in front of the expand, creating a region of a low density and a low pressure. This region is called rarefaction. In this region, air particles get farther apart as compared to normal air. Sound travel in the form of compression and rarefaction in the given medium. So tuning fork is here, it will be start to vibrate, compression, rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. Movement of air particles is this. Question number 2. Describe the factors that affect the loudness of sound. First factor is amplitude of the wave. Object vibrate with a larger amplitude, it transfer a greater amount of energy. That means loudness is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. Question number 2. Distance between the listener and the source of sound. Sound depends inversely on the distance between the listener and the source of sound. So loudness is directly proportional to 1 by distance. Question number 3. Third part. Surface area of the vibrating object. Object depends directly on the surface area of the vibrating object. Point 4. Sensitivity of ear of the listener. For different frequency, sensitivity of the ear is also different. Question number 3. How does pitch change in stringed instrument, wind instrument and percussion instrument? Stringed instrument. The sound of different pitch are produced on the stringed instrument like piano, violin, sitar and guitar. High pitch is produced by vibrating the string under high tension. Vibrating high pitch thinner string under low tension. Point number 2. Wind instrument. Pitch depends on the length of the vibration air column. To produce a note of high pitch or shrilled sound, less number of holes are closed so that the length of the vibrating air column decreases. To produce low pressure or a flat sound, more number of holes are closed so that length of the vibrating air column increases. Percussion instrument. Pitch of the sound producing by the instrument depends on the size and tension of the membrane. More tight, small is the membrane, higher is the pitch of the sound produced. Numerical question number 1. Two waves A and B of the same pitch have amplitude in the ratio 2:3. What will be the ratio of their pitch and loudness? We already know loudness is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. So 2:3 square, 4:9 is the answer. Pitches do not depend on the amplitude. That's the reason pitch is same, 1:1. The two waves have a amplitude 6 cm and 4 cm. Compare the loudness, which of the two sound is louder. Loudness is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. So 6 raised to 4 square, answer is 36 raised to 16. Thank you.